All right, so today, as I promised, I will do what's in my pantry video. And that's exactly what I will be doing today. So, as you guys know, I did the what's in my refrigerator, nothing fancy. What's in my pantry, nothing, spectacular or anything like that. So now we're going to do my season cabinet, which I have a lot of seasons. You guys probably don't even use. All right, so here is a view of all the seasons that's in my cabinet. Yes, I know it's a lot. Okay, I don't know if I will go through everything, but that's what I have. So I will go through them as fast as I can so this video won't be long. All right, so to get started, I have cumin. I have chipotle. I use this when I'm making, like, if I want to do my own rice bowl, chipotle rice bowl. I have smoked paprika. I love using this for my fried chicken. My nails need to get done. We have allspice. This is used when Kevin is making his Jamaican dish. He typically will use that. I have oregano. I use oregano for different things. I don't have a exact thing that I use it for, but I use it for multiple functions. I have coriander seed. I think I'm saying it right. I think I used this once. I don't even know what to use it for after this, if you ask me. I have rub sage, which I also used once. I wouldn't know what to use it for again. I have nutmeg. Sometime when I make cake or if I'm baking, I will usually add nutmeg into my recipe. I have cayenne pepper that sometimes I'll use to make whole chicken. I have Cajun season. I use my Cajun season if I'm making Alfredo or anything that requires Cajun seasoning. I have that. I have fennel seeds. I usually use it so I can make like homemade spaghetti and meatball, or lasagna. I have white pepper. I don't usually use white pepper, but if I do, I bake whole chicken with it. So that's why I have that here. I have cinnamon. Obviously, cinnamon can be used for multiple things. When I use cinnamon is usually if I'm making oatmeal or if I'm baking, I'll add cinnamon. Let me see. I have Italian season, which I use to, again, make spaghetti, meatball, or anything like pasta-ish type of dish. This is old. I probably need to throw away, but I got this from my mom's house. I didn't feel like buying my own since she had a big bottle of lemon pepper, which is, very old. As you can see, I don't really use lemon pepper. I have oregano. The other one was grind, the powder oregano. This is actually the loose leaf oregano. I have chili powder. I use it when I'm making chili. I love making chili to eat with white rice, so I have that here. I have parsley. Of course, you have to have parsley in your home. Parsley can be used to garnish your food or just to add extra flavor. I typically will use this on my fried chicken wings. Let me see. Okay, every household I know have to have garlic powder. So I have garlic powder, which can be used for multiple things. I have onion powder, which, running out obviously because it's used daily. When you're cooking, you definitely want to add that into your food. My to-go would be this chicken flavored powder that I typically would add for extra flavor. Okay, I also have this one. This one has tomato base, so it has color. It's not just the regular. It's already come in color. I also have this that I would typically use to add extra flavor if I need. We have Laura seasoned salt. I don't usually use Laura seasoned salt. This is something Kevin used when he makes his Jamaican dish. So we have that here. We have sea salt. Sea salt is used for multiple function, obviously, in the household. So this is what we have here. Okay, let's go to the island section. We have curry powder, and we have multiple curry powder. So I'm not gonna go over everything. Okay, and we have baking powder. We have multiple baking powder when we are baking. And then we just have regular black pepper. I love using this black pepper right here as a mixture of different pepper. I use it to make different dishes, which is good. And then right here, just extra seasoning to add. And then you have your all-purpose seasoning, which I don't usually use. All right, and if you are making your seafood boil, you definitely need to have your crab and shrimp and crab boil, and also Old Bay. This is just extra black pepper. And this is fish and meat sauce if you are making oxtail or Jamaican related dish. And then you have your brownie. What? Okay, here is vanilla, Jamaican flavored vanilla that is used to make porridge. I don't use that. And then you have cornstarch. Can never go wrong with cornstarch. And then I have this when I'm making my rice. Right? And that is all. Alright, you guys, that was all for what's in my season cabinet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. That is pretty much sum up the tour of what I have and what I use. The next tour, if I do one, would be a tour of my kitchen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys like, comment, and share your thoughts. And that'll be all. So talk to you guys another time. Bye.